Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and I am back with another episode of Color Theories. And today Cynthia and I are tackling rainbow since we've already gone through each individual color by itself on a layout, which if you haven't seen yet, definitely check them out in the playlist down below. I have all of our videos linked up in order, I think. But today I'm working with a rainbow theme, which was really easy thanks to the Simple Stories Life in Color paper pad. I used this cut apart, which is approximately 6 by 12. I trimmed it just a little bit. And it has like green, blue, yellow, red, and pink, and also like a salmon peachy color, which really helped spark this rainbow theme. I'm also wearing a rainbow dress during this video, so a little bit more pop of color there. So even if you don't get inspired by this layout, maybe you'll be inspired by my sleeves. But I need to start layering some papers behind my photo, and I have tons to choose from because you guys know that I am a paper hoarder. So I'm looking through my stash at all the things I have, because when you come to rainbow, you really want to select items that either have just a couple colors or just a singular color and just intertwining them together. I pull out these die cuts, which these are actually from Simple Stories as well, but a different collection. This is one of their autumnal collections. This photo was actually taken in December, but I didn't use any of the super fall themed items. I used some that had a couple of colors, like this tab that I'll use with a heart, and I also pulled some florals out that you see down below, which work really nicely with the color scheme that I end up going with. What's really nice about this fall color scheme that I picked out is it really matches our outfits in the photo, at least most of the outfits. So that's really helpful for making this layout. When doing rainbow layouts, I usually want to use black and white photos, but I decided to challenge myself this round and try to do it with a colorful photo. This isn't too colorful, especially with the plain background, and the outfits are very muted colors for the most part. But nonetheless, it's still fun to try a challenge. So I just matted that photo with another Simple Stories paper from the, not the Life in Color collection, it's called something, it's another like rainbow-esque collection. It's this paper pad actually, and I pull out this other one as well. And I also layer with this yellow piece of scrap paper that I had, which is actually from Echo Park, and that is from the Summer Fun 6x6 paper pad. And if you haven't checked it out already, definitely check out my live stream that I had earlier this week, so earlier in March. If you haven't seen that, I made a really fun pastel layout, and you definitely don't want to miss it. And if you'd like to tune into later live streams, check out my Facebook page. That's where I announce the dates, and then you can mark that you're going on Facebook so you get a notification and a reminder when it's happening so you don't miss out. I will be hosting a card making live stream coming soon. I have not scheduled that date yet, but you can find it over on my Facebook page once I do announce it. And again, that'll be a Facebook event, so you can say that you're going, and then you'll get a notification when it's going to happen, so you don't miss out. So now that I have my photo layers down, I decided to glue down this giant doily, which is from Target. I believe it's an 8-inch or 10-inch. I think 10 inches is a little too big. I think it's about 8 inches. And I picked these up during Valentine's Day, which is perfect. I think it was like $20 for $1. Not too bad. Definitely check out the themed supplies during the clearance times or just Target General. They have St. Patrick's and Easter stuff out now, so definitely look into that if you're looking to build your stash. And now I want to do a little bit of washi tape layering on the right side of the photo just to bring in some more of that rainbow color. This is vastly different than the rainbow layout I did last year, which was actually more mixed media oriented. So if you're interested in looking at a mixed media oriented layout, definitely check that out. I should have the 2017 Color Theories playlist down below, and I worked with Ariana on that one. And this year it's Cynthia who's working with me on this series. So if you haven't checked it out already, definitely check out Cynthia's layout for the color or the rainbow color challenge. I'll have that link down below. And I did just try to sneak in a tiny bit of purple, even though it's not in my color scheme, just so I could say I completed the layout. But I actually ended up covering pretty much all of it up, so it's a very minuscule amount of purple. But I still call it rainbow, right? So this layout's coming together. I'm putting down some of my die cuts here that I have, but I know I want to add some other things. So I'm going to look through my stickers and embellishments, and I pull out a bunch of puffy stickers that I used, which are really nice. And I have some from Me and My Big Ideas that I use. I use one from Pink Fresh Studio and some stickers from Jelly Bean Soup, because I definitely didn't want to go overboard with this layout. If you saw my Color Theory's rainbow layout last year, you'll know that it was very simple, clean and simple, but still mixed media-esque. But I didn't do too much embellishing because it was so much color. You'll have to go check it out if you haven't already, but those are the puffy stickers I was talking about. And since I'm embellishing around the photo, I also want to bring some embellishments around the title on the right hand side, which is all of those words over there. I decided that should just be my title because I don't want to overwhelm the layout with different words. So it says, live simply, dream big, be grateful, love much, and laugh often. So I'm going to sprinkle in some embellishments over there to really help make it a cohesive layout and just do that sort of orientation where both elements are on each side of the layout and you won't be able to think it's like non-congruent sort of thing. I also have this cool rub-on stick. I don't know what to call it. It's from Recollection, so my boyfriend got it for me for my birthday, maybe Valentine's Day. He got it for me, and essentially it's just you just rub it down, and then there's a rub-on that comes out of it, and that's it. I used it a little bit underneath the pink, the very light pink section of the title, and I thought that was really nice. It's just a bunch of little triangles in different colors. And you can see me looking through my embellishments to see what I may have that I really want to use or that I definitely don't want to use. But I do pick out a bunch of embellishments. This is a sticker from LA Studio. It says all the details in a very light blue, just a slight light blue. And I decided to put that in between the pinks just to bring in more of a cohesive color scheme. I don't know what I'm doing. Now I'm just looking through another Jelly Bean Soup sticker sheet, and I pull out one that says friend request, and it's a navy blue, which helps bring that out from the pattern papers that are behind the photo. And a weird phrase, I guess, friend request. I don't know why that's in this Jelly Bean Soup sticker pack, but I do use it for this layout since one of my friends in this photo, we met on Facebook before we met in real life at school. So just one of those things. And I'm just adding some finishing touches now. I have these beautiful glitter dots from Jot, and if you did watch the live stream, you'll know that I said I don't think I'll ever use these, and here I am using them on the day after my live stream, which is just really funny. Well, a couple of days after my live stream, after you're watching this. I had to film this really quick before the weekend because we have lots going on this weekend, but I hope you guys enjoyed this layout. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as you guys always do, and if you're not subscribed already, definitely do. We have, I think, maybe 2 more episodes for Color Theories left, but if you enjoyed this series, let us know. Maybe we'll do another round next year together. It's definitely fun, and again, if you haven't checked out Cynthia's video, definitely do. I'll have it linked down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!